Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you another plant that I find to be really beautiful. This is a Phalaenopsis, I believe, or it could be a Dorydenopsis. I'm not too sure about what the actual name of the species is. However, I did want to show you. So real quick, just the overall health of the plant. You can see very well, she's doing very good. Nice, healthy, green, shiny leaves. I see some spotting, so I need to watch that. So spotting is usually from any kind of water moisture or any kind of water droplets getting onto the plant, and it has some kind of impurities in it, usually calcium, and you'll get spotting like this. Good way to get rid of it is just take a clean, damp like cloth and just kind of wipe it off. And make sure to use distilled water. I don't really do that. I'm kind of lazy, honestly, and I kind of just like water with regular tap water, but I like to usually treat it or need to kind of process it or boil it off. I like to do, things like that in order to better treat them. But other than that, she is potted in sphagnum moss. She was doing okay. She was actually kind of sick. I can't really see too much root growth. I recently repotted her, but I think she'll be all right. She had some new roots coming in, so I think she'll be going crazy when summer hits. But anyways, to the flower now. So she's not that tall, but you can see this amazing flower. So honestly, she looks like kind of like a variant of Phalaenopsis magic art. That's, to me, like the best guess. She also looks like a Dorydenopsis Everspring Prince, but I think more of the magic art. I think that's the closest I can kind of get to. But you can see that the variation, the stripage, and just the spotting, everything is like on point. You can see some very nice purple like blushing there with a white trim. Just really pretty. Such a beautiful orchid. This is actually one of my favorites. I had her bloom a long time ago, probably about 2 years ago. I got her from eBay, and she was kind of doing okay, but as soon as she kind of finished her blooming cycle, she just had like a really bad period where she was like not doing well anymore. She was kind of sick, no root growth, nothing, just stagnation. The leaves are starting to kind of wrinkle. So I repotted her and she's been doing much better. And I repotted her again because her roots are going kind of crazy. So I repotted her again, got rid of any dead roots, and haven't seen anything yet, but I think we'll see something in summer. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Just, I love this amazing orchid. She's so beautiful. Look at that. Look at like the spotting. Love that. And typically, Everspring Prince doesn't have this. It's typically maybe just the outside kind of like splashing on the tips and the edges, but that's kind of it for the Everspring Prince, so it wouldn't explain the spotting pattern. But Magic Art typically has that, but not this much. Typically, it's just random spotting throughout with this kind of stripage and the stripe edging. But on this orchid, it's just completely different. Looks like a very interesting mix. Not too sure exactly what she is, but Magic Art is my best guess. Now, she only has one bloom right now, and it's quite big. I think she was kind of saving all the energy just for one bloom. So I think I need to fertilize her a little more, but I was waiting for better root growth. But I also see another bud as well, so we will see what that one looks like as well. But she is doing pretty good. Just hopefully she'll make it for me. I really love this orchid. She's one of my favorites. So, but that's it, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed this little video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'll be making more videos. So you guys really keep this channel going, and I really appreciate everything you guys do for me and supporting me and asking questions and staying motivated with me. Really, really appreciate it. So thank you very much so much. Very much so much. But anyways, thank you again so much for watching, you guys. And as always, I hope you all have a great day. Stay safe out there, and happy growing.